Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today we're diving into best Streamlabs OBS settings for low-end and high-end PCs. Whether you're running on older hardware or the latest gaming rig, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about low-end PC settings. If you're running on a low-budget system, these settings will help you get the best performance without sacrificing too much quality. First, open up Streamlabs OBS and go to Settings. Click on Output on the left side. For the video bitrate, set it to 2500 kilobytes per second. If you're experiencing a lot of lag, you can lower it to 2000 kilobytes per second. Set the encoder to software, X264. While it uses your CPU, it's more reliable for lower-end systems. But if you have a GPU, you must select the encoder for that. Next, go to the Video tab. Set the base resolution to 1280 x 720. This is a good balance between quality and performance. Set the output resolution to 1280 x 720 as well. For the downscale filter, choose bilinear. It's less resource intensive. For FPS, select 30. Streaming at 30 FPS reduces the load on your system significantly. Now click on the Advanced tab. Set the process priority to normal. This ensures that your system won't get bogged down by Streamlabs OBS while you're gaming. Disable Force GPU as render device. These settings should help you get a smooth stream on a low-end PC. Now, let's move on to high-end settings for those with powerful systems. If you have a high-end PC, you can push for better quality streams. Here's how to set it up. Go to Output and set the output mode to Advanced. Under Streaming, set the encoder to NVIDIA NVENC New if you have an NVIDIA GPU or AMD if you have an AMD GPU. Set the rate control to CBR and the bitrate to 6000 kilobytes per second if your internet can handle it. Set the keyframe interval to 2, the preset to max quality, and the profile to main. Under the Video tab, set the base resolution to 1920 x 1080. Set the output resolution to 1920 x 1080 as well. For the downscale filter, choose Lanczos for the best quality. Set the FPS to 60. This ensures smooth and high-quality streams for your viewers. In the Advanced tab, set the process priority to above normal or high. This gives Streamlabs OBS more priority over other applications. Enable Force GPU as render device. And there you have it. Whether you're streaming on a low-end or high-end PC, these settings will help you optimize your Streamlabs OBS for the best performance and quality. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. See you in the next video.